during the annual meeting, we would encourage you to stop by the e-posters section by clicking on e-posters and take a moment to view any of the posters that have been reviewed by our abstract committee. They've been submitted and reviewed and vetted, and folks have taken a moment to create these outstanding posters. And as an example, here you'll see the title and the abstract, contacts, and here below you'll see the poster. Poster presenters will have an opportunity to discuss any questions you may have. And here you'll see our poster sessions can be found on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, actually Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, in the afternoons. And I would encourage you to add that to your calendar. Again, you can do that via just clicking on this icon here, and it'll add it straight to your calendar. If you should have questions that you'd like to direct straight to the poster presenter, you can search that person by name, click on their contact, and request to chat or meet and learn a little bit more about them.